Hi guys, today we have My Melody plushie and we are gonna dress it up. And also I bring a friend here. I mean family na friend. Kasi money niya on.
Bye-bye.
Huh? Bawal sa imong mata. Oh. Ano? You dress up the thing.
Hmm? My melody.
The melody na. Kabalo ka. Hapon eh. Oh my god. Hello. Hello. I'm speaking Filipino so you don't understand. Uy, bye-bye. I will not swim with you.
It's okay, my mama is bantay ko.
She will not, yun. She's not gonna swim. Not gonna swim down.
What?
She don't like to swim down.
My mango is swim. My baby is swimming.
What did it happen to you on different day?
What daw na ko dito ha?
Huh? Ayaw lang. I won't swim with you.
Pero saan na diha?
Sana? Ay, bell lang. Bell to attract deer. Guys, how to open this, guys? Ay. Ayo, My Melody, sas na.
Baho lahat hindi. No? Bakit sa ate pag mag-map baho? No?
Because she don't clean it, me.
So, she just use snow. Don't clean it.
She just used the random water. Toilet water, good me. And petty wine. There's a glow on the pavement. In the middle of the parking lot. Yeah. There's a glow on the
Hindi baho
pavement.
lahat?
Dili ba? Okay lang. Sorry, wait lang sa guys. Subscribe to me or else I'll stab you with this scissor. My cousin is playing a rip-off of Plants vs. Zombies. Ew, what the hell? Who does that? He's illegal. Ah. Wait lang. Wait, what? Oh, okay, bye. Still okay. There's a glow on the pavement. I will not stand up for the whole entire day because I had football practice. It hurts. Okay? It hurts. Just blow on the pavement. Saman ka tanda ay? I hope this gets 5k likes. Give me a PayPal password. I'll stab you with it. The cheese knife. Or the scissor. Wait one sec, guys.
Tama.
Saman ka, tita.
Low.
Ready. She can't hear me. Then right there in the middle. I'm gonna sleep with this. Not me actually following the instructions.
Tayo.
Wait lang sa me.
The other phone.
My cousin has been.
Ah. Tama to? Iso'y tama. Oo, Rhea, tama. Rhea, ako, ani? Magpinam na ini. Yung root ang kwarta. 170. Ang duha. Di ba kaya tulo?
Hoy! Hoy! Saman ka! Saan saman ka?
5340. Ano nagbara man tong CR dito?
Furry na ka.
Kinsa may nagkuan na nag libang-libang diya nga butangan magdagan kay tissue. Ako ang kuan, bara na po ni pati ang salog nagbara. Pag makakita ni kag mga tissue sa salog ko, kay pa dili mo bara sa kuan, sink ha, limpyo ito dito be. Kuan na silhigan na dira para mo hubas na. Tapos dai paminaw. Ako nagmap karon wa may baho, di ba? Ngano magmap ka baho magirabutan na nimog daw no. Bago ka magmap diri, ang map isabunan sa nimo kanang daw kanang kuan dira kanang alien. Butangan nimo gamay ang ang kuan ang balde. Tapos imuhang ana pag magbula mapila ka limpyo nimo imuhang i-drain. Banlawan na pud nimo pag-ayo. Ikaduha nimo banlawan bago nimo i-map diri. Ha? Ang anong baho pag ang permanente kay kadili di tagahuman nimo og kanang kuan map sa ihi. Dili na pud nimo labhan usab. Dapat labhan yun permanente, ha? Dili kinahanglan butangan og floor cleaner og ano kanang kuan kanang downy. Di ko gusto magbutang-butang og downy sa map, ha? Sabunan permanente tagahumag map sa ihi. Sabunan dayon pa dili mo stay ang baho, ha? Oh, dipyo dito ko ang bara. Pangitag silhig dito tukob. Kaputa ng basura dira. Dili pwede na mga tagat niya pasagdahan na mo nang magbara. Tungguloy ako na.
Wait lang siya.
Tuguna na lang ko.
Wait lang eh. I'm fixing this one.
Laspanin mo, sa'yo mo ilaspan.
Wait.
Oh my God.
Oh, okay, guys. Finished it. So that ended good.
Hi, Tisha.
Hi, teacher. This actually looks very pretty. Wow! Someone na, oy! Storage bags! Wala, oh. Okay.
Give that to you. She give that to you.
This is my melody now. Then my melody, if you switch it. Oh, Rick! I knew it. Keep on falling. No stand. I'm gonna sleep with this every night now. Yes. I'm gonna be her fun and then I hope no one thinks I'm cringe. I'm gonna Wala. Ito naman eh. I'm gonna pick. Okay.